talk about houses, before we talk about the bedroom and kitchen and bathroom that you desire, let's talk about this traffic. Today, I sat in Atlanta traffic for 3 hours. 3 hours. And at times we were moving, at times we were doing the baby crawl, at times we were at a complete stop, 0 miles per hour. My navigation system kept saying the same thing: your destination is straight ahead. 6 miles. 6 miles. It was right there, but I still had to endure the process. Buying a home is exactly like that. The destination is clear: home ownership. The closing has been scheduled. The keys will soon be in your hand. But what most people don't prepare for is the traffic, the inevitable delays, the discipline that you must have, and the money that must be readily available. Let's talk about the money. Before you even think about submitting an offer, you need to understand what it actually costs to reach the destination. First, there's earnest money. Earnest money is your good faith deposit. It tells the seller that you are serious about purchasing their property. It is typically due within just a few days of going under contract. So let me give you some real context here. If you are purchasing a $350,000 home and the earnest money is 1%, that's $3,500 due immediately. Not next month, not later, not next Friday when you get paid. It's within days. And if that number makes you pause, that's okay. It doesn't mean you can't buy, it means we need to continue to prepare. Then there's inspection money. Home inspections are not free. While they're not mandatory, you really don't want to skip them. You pay for that out of pocket up front, and it's non refundable. You need to know what you're buying before you fully commit. That's what your due diligence period is for. Then comes the appraisal. Even if you're putting money down, the lender requires an appraisal to confirm the home's value. That cost is yours as well. So let's talk about that down payment. Depending on your loan type, it could be 3%, 3.5%, 5%, 10% or more. That is real money, liquid money, documented money. And then there are closing costs: lender fees, attorney fees, title fees, taxes and insurance, prepaids. Closing costs typically range between 2 and 4% of the purchase price. So on that same $350,000 home, that could mean another $7,000 to $14,000 in addition to your down payment. This is not to scare you. This is to position you. We want you to be ready because preparation removes panic. Now, let me tell you what else I saw today while sitting in traffic: a trailer carrying brand new cars, shiny, fresh, and very tempting. So beautiful. And it reminded me of something I tell every buyer every single time. While you are in the process of purchasing a home, you cannot buy the car. You cannot finance new furniture. You cannot open new credit cards. You simply cannot increase your debt. The lender is watching your financial behavior all the way to closing. Just because you're 6 miles away doesn't mean that the deal is done. You must maintain discipline until you reach the destination. So let's go back to what the navigation said. Continue straight, not turn left, not detour, not reroute. Continue straight. In real estate, that means don't change jobs without talking to your lender. Don't move large sums of money without documentation. No mattress money. Don't co sign for anyone. Don't alter your financial profile mid process at all. Continue straight. So, yes, while there may be traffic, yes, underwriting may still ask for documents again. Yes, there may be construction on the road, But construction does not cancel the destination, it simply slows the timeline. Delays don't mean denial. Buying a home is not just about desire, it's about readiness. You need all the money ready: earnest money, inspection money, appraisal funds, down payment, closing costs prepared, and discipline intact. Because when the road opens up, when traffic finally clears, you want to be in position to move calmly, confidently, and clearly. Traffic doesn't cancel the destination, it requires endurance. The numbers are real, the process is real, the discipline is real, but so is the outcome. Homeownership is not reserved for other people, it is for the prepared. So if you're thinking about buying, don't start with the house, start with the plan. Let's build the strategy, prepare the funds, because the destination is straight ahead. Welcome to the firm, Real Estate Explained.